SpaceX has been promising to fly its next big rocket, the Heavy Hawk. For about 4 years the company revealed that the vehicle may be finally preparing for its maiden voyage. The main core of the Heavy Hawk going through its first great test of static fire, which ignites the engines of the reinforcement while the vehicle is tied. The test was conducted at SpaceX's test and development site facility in McGregor, Texas, last week, prior to a planned late summer release. The Heavy Falcon is basically an improved version of the Falcon 9 rocket's flagship SpaceX, more or less consisting of 3 Falcon 9 cores tied together. It is this trio of reinforcements that will give the Hawk Heavy even more thrust than the Falcon 9, allowing the largest rocket to carry over 140,000 pounds in low Earth orbit and up to 37,000 pounds to Mars. At this time the Falcon 9 can get a little more than 50,000 pounds to lower the Earth's orbit. SpaceX plans to use the Heavy Falcon to fly 2 tourists around the Moon as early as next year, and send a spacecraft to the surface of Mars by 2020. The 2 secondary cores of the Heavy Falcon are almost equivalent to the cores of the Falcon 9, but the core has somewhat strengthened and includes some additional hardware, CEO Elon Musk. Alterations are needed to help support the addition of outer cores. So while the core of the Heavy Falcon is very similar to Falcon 9, it is still a bit different, and this seems to be the first major test of the nucleus that will fly. Of course, the main engines and fuel tanks are basically the same as those of the Falcon 9, so it's not that radicals of a test.